Hey guys, it's your girl Char.'s, and today I'm going to be doing a review on Peculiar Roots hair care brand. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell so that you get notified. And if you're not new here, what's up? So let's get right into the review. So as a lot of my Instagram family would know, I am now an ambassador for Peculiar Roots. They're a great brand. They're a clean, family-run brand. Clean meaning that they are cruelty-free. So I think this brand is pretty great. Their products are also sulfate-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, silicone-free, and dye-free, which is pretty awesome. So the other day was wash day, and what I did was I shampooed my hair, I conditioned my hair, and I also retwisted it and put it in some braids. I'll probably have these braids in for about a week or so, and then I'll take it out for a braid out, because why not? The first thing that I used was the ACV shampoo, ACV standing for apple cider vinegar. And this has pomegranate seed oil, aloe juice, and apple cider vinegar, and it smells amazing. So if you go on their website, you can buy this for $16.99, and if you use my code CHAR10, CHAR10, then you can get 10% off of any of your orders. So this shampoo smells, first of all, it smells amazing, and it's very easy to rinse out. So right now, before using this, I actually use a creamy aloe shampoo by ORS, and I would say that this is so much easier to rinse out, which is nice, and it's kind of reassuring because when you have locks, the biggest worry is that you'll have buildup, so that things like shampoos or like really thick shampoos or really thick conditioners won't get out of your hair. So I really like that about this shampoo. Another thing I did notice about this shampoo is that because it's free of sulfates and parabens and all that stuff, I don't know, I'm not really sure which one, but it doesn't suds up as much as the shampoo that I use. Now, me personally, I do like a lot of suds. You'll see in the video that I'll insert right now that I thought my hair was just really gunky, so I did wash my hair 4 times with this shampoo, hoping that there would be more suds, but it wasn't. It's just a very, it's a very low-key, very mild on your hair, but it's also very cleansing. I did have some gunk in my hair when I first started washing, and it was gone by the time I went on to condition. It's clarifying and detoxing, and it has apple cider vinegar in it. So I know some people do apple cider vinegar rinses before they shampoo their hair, and I think that this is honestly like a good alternative. If you think that apple cider vinegar is too harsh on your hair, maybe you can kind of pre-poo with this and then go in with your other shampoo that you think has more suds to offer. So 100% would recommend this product. This is my favorite. So this is the charcoal conditioner, and this also sells for $16.99 on the Peculiar Roots website. Again, you can use my code for 10% off, and it has keratin protein, olive oil, and activated charcoal. Overall, 10 out of 10 would recommend the charcoal conditioner. It's just very moisturizing and conditioning. And it's easy to apply, and again, just like the shampoo, it rinses out very easily. So I really like this conditioner. It's supposed to moisturize and exfoliate while removing buildup and residue, and I felt like my hair was clean after conditioning and washing it out, and obviously very conditioned because it has the olive oil. The next product that I used was their hair nourishing and conditioning oil. Now, this oil has coconut oil, castor seed oil, and hemp seed oil. For me, it's a little too light of an oil. I personally really like olive oil, and I like castor oil, and I think I really like when my oil is heavy on my hair. I don't like when my hair is sticky, but I like when it's just heavy enough, and I think that this oil is really light. As you can see, it kind of inverts really well. So not an oil that I would be using on my roots when I'm retwisting, but I did like that while I was retwisting my hair, I was able to put it on my strands, and it was very nourishing for my strands. It kept my hair very malleable while I was retwisting and braiding it. So out of 10 for retwisting, I would give this maybe a 7 out of 10. All right, and the last product that I used was the Loc Pomade by Peculiar Roots. And this Loc Pomade sells for $14.99, and it's very light. It's very light on the hair, but it also smells amazing. So as you can see, I have some product on my finger, and it's very, like, the consistency is very smooth. It's not too tacky like an edge control, and it's not too thin like a gel. It's like, it's just right for retwisting. And I will say that this was amazing to retwist with. It gave me that like salon feel, but it's not crispy, it doesn't flake, it's not like irritating my hair. It's perfect. And it doesn't have many ingredients. I don't know, those words are really small, but those are the ingredients. So they're not many at all, which is pretty good. And this also has that pomegranate smell, just like the ACV shampoo. And yeah, it's very light, it's very nourishing also, and it's not tacky. We'll see when I take these braids out, but from what I can tell, I'm not experiencing any like gunk in my hair just from using this product, which is what a lot of people with locks are afraid of. So out of 10 out of 10 would recommend the Loc Pomade. I loved retwisting with it. And I don't retwist with pomade, so that says a lot. All right, so overall, my favorite product that I used for Wash Day by Peculiar Roots was the conditioner. The conditioner is just, it's real. The conditioner is very conditioning, but it's also like cleansing at the same time because of that activated charcoal that's like removing those impurities. So I really loved using this. This was my favorite product. And then my second favorite would have to be the Loc Pomade. I probably won't be using the apple cider vinegar shampoo as my main shampoo, but I would definitely consider pre-pooing with it, just like how I would do like an apple cider vinegar rinse on my hair. So I hope this video was informative. Stay tuned to watch me just quickly wash and retwist and put these braids in. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you have a good day. Bye. Hey guys, so this is me doing my second shampoo. The first one was done in the shower. And I noticed that it wasn't sudsing, which I expected from the first shampoo. So this is me here just doing the second shampoo. Then I went ahead and did a third because I really wanted some suds. Like I said earlier on in the video, I usually experience suds with my usual shampoo. So I was going for that with this. And it wasn't until the fourth shampoo, which is coming up soon, that I realized that I was not going to get those suds because this brand is a clean brand and they are paraben and sulfate free. So yeah, I stopped washing my hair after that. All right, now on to my favorite, the charcoal conditioner. I use a good amount of this, about the size of my palm, and as you can tell, it smells really good. And the moment I put it in my hair was it just felt super conditioned and soft. And you'll see that once I washed it out, there was a lot of movement to my hair, which I appreciated. Yeah, so there you guys, you can see the conditioner worked wonders. I love it a lot. I'm definitely going to be using it again. This lock towel from Peculiar Roots is amazing. It soaks up all the hair and leaves your hair ready to style. I loved it. All right, so I already went ahead and retwisted and braided some of my hair. And right now I'm using the oil and the Loc Pomade by Peculiar Roots. I'll be using rubber bands and a comb. So some of my hair was getting a little dry while I was retwisting. So I use a spray bottle with water. And what I'm doing is just spraying with water. I'm sectioning off my parts with a comb. And then I'll be using the oil to rub on my roots and also my strands. As I said, it was really helpful for my strands. It kept my locks really malleable while I was braiding, so that was nice. And yeah, so I am just parting my hair. And I'm going to use the lock pomade to retwist each lock. And when I'm finished every third lock, then I'll go ahead and braid. Here you can see that I have a little fuzzy. So what I'm going to do is just wrap it around the length of the lock. And the lock pomade was actually really good in kind of pasting down those frizzy parts around the lock, if that makes sense. So yeah, guys, I just do this same thing on all of my locks. I kind of just retwist, I wrap those frizzies around, and then when I get to the third lock, I will braid. And I did that all over my head. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this and see the finished product at the end.
Imagining your pleasure, baby.